shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And I am here with the plan with me for the week of April 12th through the 19th. And this is the week I take my trip. This was my spread from this week. And we are going to go ahead and grab out our lovely pages. So as always, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to show me some love by giving me that thumbs up. I love to hear from you in the comments, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so yes, so we are planning the week of the 12th through the 18th, and I decided to go a different route this week, and I am using the Plant Lady sticker pack from Agenda 52, and I also pulled some stickers from, nope, not Jewel Tone Boxes, wrong sticker book. From Handwritten Colorful Boxes and also this edition of Colorful Boxes. So we are just going to jump in. Now this is the week that I am going out of town. So you will notice that my spreads will not have plans as they have had in the past. Okay. So I'm just going to wipe this out here, this note. Okay, and we are going to just grab our stickers. I have a lot going on, so just wanted to make sure I got my planner decorated before I left. All right, so then we have this week. We're gonna put this here. And then I have this checklist, but this is really going to be my packing list. So I'm going to sunny Florida. All right, and then of course, every good sidebar has a quote, right? So let's put this little quote there. It says, happiness blooms from within. I'm feeling her. I'm feeling her. I'm feeling her. So cute. Okay. So I'm gonna do something I typically haven't done. But I'm going to use the top of the spread to add these lovely terrarium plants so that they look like they're coming from the top. So we're just going to place all of them down. Y'all, this is a cute sticker book. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. And try to line these up in the middle. Yes. So anything interesting happened to you this week or with you? I've had a long week at work. So the new job is starting to now, you know, after you're there for a while, which I am going into 10 weeks, I think. And so now things are becoming real. I'm getting comfortable in my role. I am, you know, starting to understand the business. And so that's a good place to be, by the way. But, you know, now I'm, you know, getting in. All right. So I layered this gold colorful box with that plant. And I think that is so cute to me. So cute. Okay. And then I wanted to add, this is so cute as well. So just to make sure that I have all my laundry done, I'm going to do a load of laundry on Monday. I fly out on Thursday. So I thought this would be really cute to put there. These colors are just everything to me. I'm trying to see. I always put my my sticker in the middle. So what if I took it and I put it somewhere else this time? Okay. Now we have this don't forget sticker here. So we're gonna use that. And then a checklist. I just love how this green and this purple look together. And it's switching things up. You don't always have to use, you can use mix and match stickers from different planner companies. So I love this sticker here, and I've got it layered with a gold colorful box, and then I put the check in there, the to-do, and I layered it over those beautiful florals. Then I have another layered situation that will go here in this area that says don't forget. I just want to make sure that it's balanced. And again, I did get to layer the pen, this colorful box from Handwritten Plans, and this color scheme right there. So I like how that looks. All right, so before we jump all the way in, I wanted to put this washi on here that says, so wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Beautiful. Okay. Certainly, I want to put this little checklist here, or a little flag there. All right, so this says sleep in, and I plan on Saturday to really kind of sleep in. So I'm liking how that top looks. It's giving me happy feelings. All right, so here we're gonna put this, surround yourself with life. All right. And then of course we have another, let's put our cluster down. Y'all, this cluster is so cute. All right, so it is definitely a monthly box that I placed down, but I added this floral. Again, I'm trying to make things match from this side of the page. So we have those, reminder, then the bloom, and then that cute little floral there. Okay. And on Sunday, we're gonna put this here. And I found this cute little sticker that says Sunday Fun Day. So we're gonna add Sunday Fun Day there. Yes. And then another little layered situation. And I'm gonna move this up here because I don't have, and let me grab a gel pen so we don't have anything white that goes between this pen. And this is one of my old ones. Let me get a new one. All right. I love it. My box looks a little crooked, and then I wanted to make sure that I added a little checklist on this side of the spread as well. Okay, I want to bring this up because it looks a little crooked to me. Okay. All right. I'm gonna call it. I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors together. Let me know what you think about the spread. I'd love to hear it. And I'm so excited for my trip, ready to get some vitamin D at the beach, going to somebody's pool, got my 2 pieces all together, and I am ready to go. Do you guys wear 2 pieces in the summer? Let me know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, remember to do the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.